Recording in
video.
progress.
So we have an option of add video. So we have add video and edit and delete videos. So when I click on add video, so it should navigate. Actually, cookie is also present here. So constant cookies. So set cookies and set cookie, and we have remove cookie. And we need use cookies. Here it is an string type array. Cookie name is admin ID. Admin ID is the cookie name, right? That is the option here. So, and here we need to configure at the time of loading the dashboard. So who logged in here? That is cookies of you admin ID. That is the detail. That means who logged in, his detail will come. We have just user ID. We are showing the user ID. And we need another option. So button is sign out. So class BTN and BTN danger. And on this button click, we should sign out and we need to display there. Okay, this is a div. And okay, deflex and justify content between. So we have this looks better. Sign out is at the right. And on sign out click, it should sign out and it will go to the home page. So here we need to write a logic. So handle function handle sign out. On sign out, we should navigate. So let navigate is equal to use navigate. And on sign out, we have to remove cookie and the cookie is admin ID. After that, navigate to slash. And this should work on the button click. So on click, so handle sign out. Okay, this functionality is ready. And when I click on sign out, it should get back to this. So now admin will log in with his user ID. So John underscore admin and password is John at the net 11. Login, the dashboard will come. Now add video, edit video, delete video. Exactly same how you done to do. So in to do what you done, add task, edit task, delete task. Same concept you need to follow here. So on add video, so when user clicks on add video is a link. So we will keep a link here. And on add video link, it should link to slash add video. So we need to navigate to that path add video. So we need a simple another component add video dot what tsx. So export function add video and it returns here a container. So add new video. Okay. Now we need to put some path for this. In app, we have to define route. So route path is a slash add video, and route element, add video is the route element. We need to define the route element in this way. Now, now when user clicks on add video, it should navigate to the add new video. In this add new video, you must able to add a new video details. But here one small technique we need to implement. Video have video details coming from video table, category details coming from categories table. We have a separate categories table. So here two concepts we need to handle. Add video. Here we need to design a form. And in this we have a data list, data term, video ID. Input type is number. And here we have name as video ID. Okay. Next we have title. So title is input type text. So name as a title. And we have URL. So input type text and name as URL. And description. And we have a text area with the rows. And here rows is for calls some 40. Okay. Right. So rows and column. It is expecting number. So rows is 4 and calls is a 40. It is strongly expecting only number. So we are defining a number. So name is, so this is description. Okay. After that, we have this is likes, and input type is number, and we have dislikes. So we have input type number, and here we have the name as likes, and this name is dislikes. And here we need select category. So this is a select. We need a select. And here options we will add later. This is having the name category ID. Actually, now we have to submit, add BTN some primary we are configuring. Now this is the new video related details. So add new video. We are adding some new video details. And in this, user must able to enter all the data and submit the video ID and all. What is this? H4 is okay, fine. Now in this, what must happen is the category name should come from categories table. Category name is not entered by admin. He will just choose a category from the existing categories If you want a new category, you will add in the database. So, but we haven't given any add category, remove category. If you want, you can give. In admin dashboard, you put another button, add category, remove category. In API, you put another method, add category, post category, and edit category, delete category, anything. So now we need to get the categories from existing and display here. So first we need to define. So here a constant categories, set categories, and is equal to use state, and it is using a category contract. Categories contract, it is an array type. It should use the categories contract. For every concept, we created a contract. Whatever data we have to deal with in our previous class, we created a contract. So admin contract, categories contract, and the video contracts we created. So here, okay. Now what we need to do is we need to get the categories. So function load categories. Load categories is the function which uses an Axios get. So 127001 colon 7070. What is it? Get categories is the method. We have the REST API method get categories. Get categories is the method. We are having the get categories method. Okay, so what we need to do here, we need to get the categories dot then collect the response, and the response set categories and response dot what data, and we have use effect, and while using the effect here we need to load categories. That means we need to configure load categories, and the categories must display here. But how we want is categories dot map. We are using a map, read every category, and for every category we are creating an option, and here the option will have a value. Value is category ID, and name is category name. Category dot category name. That means you will show the category name, but you will submit the ID, because in the video table every category foreign key is what? Category ID. So that we have to use. And you obviously need a key for iterating items. So category dot category ID. So now this is the categories table we are having. React, Java, AWS. So we can add one more item before adding loading. What is it? Response dot data dot unshift. Unshift, we have to add an object. It will have category ID as, so category ID as -1, and category name as, so select a category. Select a category. This is what we are adding into that. That means you see here the first one should be, so the first one should be select a category. And after that, I can select anyone. Why? Because the default should not be any category. I need to just give an option here to choose a category. This is coming from categories table. But when you add The category name will not be submitted. The category ID will be stored in the video, right? Now rest of posting is same concept and you know how to do that. So now what you need is a constant formic is equal to use formic, and in the formic initial values, and in the formic on submit. So we will get the video details and we need to submit the video details. And what are the initial values? Video ID, it's a number. So title is a string and URL is a string. Description is also a string. And the likes is a number. Dislikes is also a number. Category ID is a number. These are the details we need to send. Now we need to push this Axios dot post into HTTP 127.0.0.1.70.70 add video, and the video which one you want to add. So on success, we will just send. So here navigate is not there. So let navigate is equal to use navigate, and it should navigate. So we are defining here, yeah, navigate to slash admin dashboard. It should navigate to admin dashboard, and after an alert saying that video added successfully, this message need to display. Now it looks fine. Now we have this fine. Now what we need to do is bind all this. So this is on submit formic dot handle submit, and on change formic dot handle change, and this is formic handle change, that is handle change. All are dealing with the same. Okay, fine. Everything is fine. So now we will go to the add video, and here also let's keep a simple cancel option. So link cancel and link to slash admin dashboard and class btn and btn danger. Okay, this is an cancel option available there, and your wish means depending on how much data you are having. Actually for form style I defined as some height is some 400 pixel. Then we can put a class overflow auto. That means if lengthy form is there, then we put a scroll bar for adding the data. That means instead of scrolling the page, we can do that. Or even you can split that into columns. So we can add this into columns also, because means form presentation your wish, you can do anything. Instead of this, We will put a class as row and the class as call3. All terms will be using call3. All the terms are using call3. All the terms are having call3. All definitions will have call9. Call9. All definitions we define call9. All definitions are call9. So it is nothing but keeping our form side by side. That will be better. That's a simple interface for us. Now you can enter the video ID, title, URL, description, likes, dislikes, and add this. Cancel will get back to this. And add video, it will come to this add video. Now what we will do is we will get one video URL here. So YouTube Naresh IT. I am having some video URL. So some video URL are there. That means so many videos are there. Let's copy some video. Already we added some Java related video and some other videos. Road map and all. AWS something. Data science. Okay. Uh-huh. So these are the videos we are having. AWS is there. I will copy this. Let's open the URL, copy. Copy the code of this one. Huh? Now let's go video ID and title is AWS online training. URL https youtube.com. Actually, what you can do is you can copy that embed URL and paste it. Actually, embed URL, how you copy? There is a share option. In the share, embed URL will be there. Actually, embed URL is this one. This is the embed URL. You can copy that and you can paste it there. Or you can even type youtube.com/embed/ that code and description. AWS, AWS in multi-cloud cloud training, some training. Okay. Now likes I given just 0, 0, and this belongs to AWS category. And click on add, then it should show video added successfully. Then okay, it navigates and it should display the video here. Some path is wrong. Rest of details are added. The video path may be wrong. What is the path? Let's because we haven't created any edit one. Let's go to MongoDB. So in MongoDB Compass, let's connect. And this is video project. In this videos, the second one URL is missing. URL is empty. Why URL empty? Let's check in our API. I deleted it, right? Let's check in API. Is there any problem or here URL have any problem? Acha, here in the name, what is the name have issue? The name URL is lowercase and here I given an uppercase one. Here I given an uppercase. It will be what? URL. These should match correctly. That's important. Okay, let's add video. Video is 2. AWS description is multi-cloud AWS training online and offline starts from some June 2024, something like this. And this is some 0 and category belongs to AWS. And click on add. Video added successfully. Now it is fine. We have that. So these are the videos. That means we are able to add the video. Now, next important, admin can edit the video and admin can delete the video. Edit video just like you saw in Todo. In Todo, what we need to show? This video details in edit mode. When we show this in edit mode, they can modify and put. They have to submit that. Delete video, show the video and say, are you sure you want to delete that video? That means they can delete that particular video. Will you try those two? Because already add task, edit task, delete task. Same concept you have to implement for add video, edit video, delete video. Just I given the this example because here category name comes from another table and data to be submitted in another table. And observe here category name correctly submitted or not. When you refresh, you can see the category name. Category name is correctly there. You are selecting AWS as category, but in the result, it is showing a sub value of that. This is important later for filtering, searching. If anybody is searching or filtering, he wants all AWS videos, he will select the category, those videos will come. So you for user, it will be helpful, right? So this is okay. Now what is your job is you try edit and delete. For edit, one edit video component will be there. And on this click, what should happen? The video ID must be sent. We have to collect the video ID and display only the video that belongs to that ID. Already we have a API. So we have an API called get video by ID. You can use get video by ID, which is going to get that particular video and load in edit mode. For edit mode, some complications I told you. What are those? In Formic, you have to make sure that you used enable reinitialize to true. I hope you practiced. You tried the to do application because in edit mode, we cannot change. And to allow changes, we need to enable reinitialization and we have to set it to true, right? You see the to-do application, edit and delete. The same you have to implement here. Okay. Now I will design user related. That means what user can do, user can register and user can login. So, so in the home page, so this is sign out. Okay. In the home page, we will go to the home. In the home page, so here we will put user login. Here we will use user register. So this is like a new user register. So new user register. New user register we will give here. That means that new user register will be there. If existing user login we can provide. That means somewhere what you can do is you can keep login. So where we need to define in the main page with the app.tsx. So this is having a span. So here we have a link. So link to user login and class BIBI person field. You have that, right? And we have text sent, text white and user login. Just I kept it at the top. Deflex, justify content center, between, and this will be there. We will also give text decoration none. We remove that here. So we just added that user login and defined the user login there. Okay. In that case, I will not keep this as font size 5. Smaller is enough for us. Okay, that's fine. Now on this click, it should go to the user login, right? And here it should go to the register user. Actually, in our database, we don't have any users related table because no user has been registered yet. And to register the user, we created an API. What is the API? So API is which one? Register user. We have an option. This is register user. Not created. So we created only admin related, right? We need to create user related also. So we need to do some modification in the API. I will stop that. Okay. Now in the next here, we will add this navigation. This is all related to admin. Now we need to create app.post. This is a register user, request and response. And for user, what are the details we are expecting? User ID. User ID is a string, that is request.body.user ID. Username, request.body.username, and password. So request.body.password, email and mobile. Request.body.email and mobile. Request.body.mobile. And we need to post this. Already we have some post related logic. We will copy that. I will post that here. And it is TBL users. TBL users, and it should insert user and user added. Something like this we are defined. This is for access registering user. We need get users also. Get all the users, then same like this. Let's copy register user is there, and we have get users. Get users, TBL users. That's it. We have all the users. Now what we need to do here, we need to run this. Now actually user related login and dashboard we need to create. So in our components, so we have a user register dot tsx. Another one, user login dot tsx. Another one, user dashboard. User dashboard also will come. In user dashboard, he can watch those videos uploaded by the admin, but those videos he cannot edit. So only few details he can see, right? Here, one important, some part I will design, other you have to create, right? Again, login register dashboard. This is export function user login. This is user register. Okay. And return, here we have a register user. So register user. Okay. And you have another one, user login. Then we have user login. Now another one is user dashboard. User dashboard. Here we have the options. I am not creating register login. You do it because already we done in our previous project. User register, user login, you have to design. Okay. This is user dashboard. I will create the dashboard of user. For that, we need a API method. In this, we have the path, route, path as we have user login. So element, so this is user login. And we have another route path. This is user register. And we have an element. So this is user register. User register. One more, we have a route path. So user dashboard. Dashboard. And element. See, if they are not absolute paths, you can directly write them. It doesn't matter. That means you can just write without slash. Right? Slash is only for the first one. Others not required now. Even you define, it doesn't matter, but it will be a problem later when you are using relative path and absolute paths. When you are using relative absolute path, issues will come. That is the reason we have to avoid that. And new user register will come, right? So, and admin login. So, but user login will get the user login. From top, they can select user login. Now, here the key point is when you have a sign out and everything I showed you, right? User register, user login, verify whether that user available or not before registering. All we implemented in our previous project that you have to do. I will design dashboard. So user dashboard. So user dashboard. And this user dashboard, he must able to watch the videos. User dashboard, we can display the dashboard just like some YouTube channel dashboards will come. Generally, when you open any YouTube channel dashboard, like this, we can create a dashboard. So, and in this content should come in the dashboard. Means what videos they provide, those videos must come, right? When user login, this must display, suppose. This kind of screens you have to create, right? So, for example, I will snipe using, means actually you have to create all this. Just what I will do is up to this, I will snipe it. Okay. But that all you have to design actually, right? I'm just sniping the titles and all. Channel, okay. Channel banner will in F drive React TypeScript app public. In public, we are having this one. Okay, now in the user dashboard, it should display, right? So this is user dashboard. And here we are displaying that. User dashboard, you can have a heading, header. In the header, the dashboard class text center. Dashboard. And here we have a span class BI. Dashboard is not there. Okay, fine. I just keep it normal. Okay. Font size is 5 or 6. Okay. This is the header we are having. And below this, we have an image. Image source is coming from channel banner dot jpg. That is the dashboard we are having. So width 100%. So width 100%. So it will fit like this. That is the dashboard we are having. Now in this dashboard, we want to show the videos. What are the videos provided? We want to show those videos. That means below, we want to display the videos. Then what we will do to show the videos below. So we will put a container, and here we will put a, this is like a nav. In the nav, we have a span like home, and we have like, so live something. And we will keep this class as a text center, and font size is 3. Home and live options are there. Okay, just roughly I'm giving class as margin margin E4 and font weight as bold. Okay, that's the home and live. And below we need to display the videos. That means what are the videos available? We want to show those videos. Then what we need to do? So below we need to get the videos means constant videos, set videos, and use state, and it is video contract. We have a video contract. It is an array type. It is an array type. And so function load videos. And in the load videos, we need to define axios.get. And it is what? HTTP 127.0.0.1 colon 7070 get videos. Dot then, and yeah, we have response, and we need set videos response dot data, and use effect. And we need to get the videos. Okay, so load videos, and those videos must be displayed below this. We are adding a main. So class dflex, flex wrap. Okay. Here we want to display like a card. Every video must be displayed like a card. So div, this is for mapping now. So we need to use videos dot what map. Every video must be generated as a card. So I have this. Every video must be generated as a card. Div class as card, margin 2, padding 2, margin 4, padding 2 or 3. Okay. And the every card will have a style. So width of card is some 300 pixel. In the card, we will have a class card header. In the card header, we will display title. So video dot what title, and it will have a key. Key is what? Video dot video ID. Okay, below this in the body, card body, the video should come. That means you need an iframe, and iframe source will come from video.url. Iframe will come from there. So width is here 100%. Okay. and height I given as some 200. Okay. And this is the card body. And here we are having footer. We will design lot. So card footer, we need to put a span class BI, and BI thumbs up and hand thumbs up. Here we will have a video dot what likes, and we have another span BI hand thumbs down, and here we have video dot dislikes. We need to keep the details. And this card footer. So class we have deflex, justify content around. Okay. Now usually this is the dashboard with all the videos here. The videos are displayed here. And user can watch these videos. We can give a facility like user can click and it can open in a new screen and watch. This must be scrollable. That means we need to keep that scrollable. I just given a large screen, right? That means this entire area. So class as overflow, auto, height, style, height, I given as some 500 pixel. That means additional content will overflow and display the videos here. We can just design that part and show it here. And these videos will play. They can play the video directly there. It is going to display that. Right now, here we can add more functionalities. Suppose when user clicks on it, the detail of that video should come in a separate screen, large. And in that, you can comment, you can like, you can dislike, you can put the buttons there, right? So comment that must be added into that comments table. That means when user clicks on this video, how we can get details of that video. So that means we have an API method. The API method we are having get video by ID. Am I right? This get video by ID will get the specific video based on ID. That means in your component, you need to have video details. That means that will get the detail of that video and show the video. There we can manage the comments and other interactions. We can do that. So adding register user, login user, and watching the video, dashboard of user, admin dashboard, insert, update, delete. And one more functionality is user can watch the video. That watched videos we can store in a history, so that whenever he see the dashboard, we can show him that your history, you can watch the previous ones. And for that, what we will do, now we will integrate a concept of Redux. In this project, we will add a Redux. What Redux will do, which video user selected, that video it will add into the history, so that later when he wants, he can watch it. So that is generally done by using state. That we will see in next session, right? This entire project I will upload. You have to finish. 70% I showed you because user register, login, no need to explain. Already we done that. You have to do it. And add video, I showed you. Edit and delete videos, you have to do it. This entire project zip file I will upload. You have to finish this. And in the next session on Monday, I will show you how to integrate Redux. What is Redux? How to integrate Redux into this. Then we can learn testing and deployment, how we test, how we deploy the application. Right. Then tomorrow, you try this, and Monday we will see it. Okay. Right. Thank you.